playing Toca Kitchen. Alright, so today I'm playing Toca Kitchen. I just got a potato out. So today we're making fries.
Eventually, I want to get into the dental field. My dream job would be to be a dentist. Because
Just make
when I got
fries.
these teeth, they changed my life. Okay, the big moment, Rebecca. And that feeling is...
Alright, let's make baked potatoes. Alright, baked
I
potatoes
want my kids to look up to, to both of us. Like, they see you
boiling
working and they see you do stuff, but I want them to look at me that way too.
Do yours.
I also want my kids to have parents.
Two?
You know, at least one of them. And you do damn good at it.
I just feel like the Amish held me back, and I feel like now you're trying to do the same thing.
Growing up Amish, you just never thought about getting
Alright,
a GED
so today
I tried when I was
we'll
Amish,
be
I wanted to
making
get my
baked
GED, and they
potatoes.
wouldn't let
Now
me.
we need to
So
cut
now
these
I
potatoes
want to do
up.
it, but I feel like you're holding me back too, because you don't want me to do it. Which is completely bullcrap. He just doesn't like the whole idea of, I guess, me working. I mean, that's never been unfair.
Baked potatoes, there you go.
The woman likes to take care of the kids and the guy's job.
But wait a second.
The way you're thinking is like every Amish guy,
Fried
you
baked.
want to hold your woman hostage. Hey, does it upset you that much that she wants to get a job?
The thing is, you don't really need an education to live. Users and address and the rest of the old stuff, okay?
Well, fine, then I won't do it. I just don't want to talk about it anymore. I won't do it if you don't want me to.
Alright.
Look at my house.
There's a fish, a huge fish.
I didn't know what to expect.
Whack this fish to the ground. Whack, whack, whack. Stop it.
Sabrina's doing.
I'm cutting myself off.
Okay,
I don't need her.
Now we're gonna be making fish.
Because that's exactly how it's going to be.
We first put
So,
fishy
I can put my whole hand in there.
in the pan.
Rebecca wants to get her GED because she wants to further her education and eventually she would love to go into the dentist industry. The thing is, though, one of the parents has to be there for you.
Oh,
They did, yeah.
yay.
Because of an hour as you school. But not arguing with you.
Now it's gonna cut
They
those.
did the sides, didn't they?
See
how she tears them off?
She didn't do that this time. I don't know why.
It's okay.
Ja, en det blir så mycket man går och jag spelar bara help.
Make fish.
Thing is, tut när det stiger sig, men stubbet hållit stiger sig.
Mine also over.
Did a game that did this cracks? Oh, what?
Are you?
Yeah.
Oh wait, I'm talking.
She thinks I don't want her to go get it, and I do.
Are you watching Krampus?
But there's so many consequences to it. So it's not really, there's no point. I'm
I
not
tried to
gonna
pick all
go
the
do
milk
it
off before.
if I'm constantly gonna get it thrown in my face.
I'm just saying it
Alright, we
doesn't
got
change
some
the fact that
watermelon juice.
after your GED and a job comes,
Are you
know,
Italian?
we also have kids, you know.
And
Yeah, I gave birth to them. I think I knew that.
shrimp.
There is no job as of yet. There is no after my GED until that thing is done, until I
He's
graduated.
coming over here.
Shrimp.
Stop looking further beyond this
I don't
GED.
want to get rid of
My education is important. That's what I want.
Hey, you look
I feel
mine.
like
It's done already.
it's something that I'm in a good position to do right now.
I want you to go
my
get
house.
your GED.
I got
It
some
helps you
cigarettes.
with homework for the kids.
And I'm
My
gonna
kids
go
are
somewhere.
but how the hell am I supposed to help them?
I got 11.
I didn't try and do
I
right.
feel limited. I feel like
I can make yellow
I
though.
just feel stupid.
In the Amish life, the guy goes out and works, and the woman stays at home
Yes.
and takes care of the kids in
Now
the
it's
house.
cook up all those
$14
shrimpy
People
shrimpies.
grow up. They have an
You need to put-
education in school, but they
you have
also
to put
have an
20 no matter
education in
what.
life. And I've struggled with both.
Put the money on there for me.
Making
With my dream,
That way it doesn't
cook shrimp in this
and just
game.
on my own.
I promise.
I only need the money to get
I
there.
need it.
We should get paid. Hopefully we get paid early.
Alright, so I had to go in the other room. Alright, so I'm cooking shrimp. Now let's make these. Now let's make your watermelon juice. Alright, watermelon. No, not cooked watermelon. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice. And if it tastes bad, that should not make it taste bad. We got some shrimp and watermelon juice. My as you see, it's only at 5%, so I probably have 5 hours for this to be done. So let's play before we can. So, watermelon juice.
The first time we met, I think things were kind of awkward between us because it was at her
I
wedding.
just found something
Jeremiah
that
and I had
he likes, SpongeBob.
we're just friends now,
Right,
but some
so
women can't get over that.
This game
It's
is
good
kind
that
of
you're not
fun.
going into this
I
on a
love
pink
playing
cloud.
this game.
You know, thinking
So
that everything's
let's
good.
feed him his shrimp. Eat the shrimp.
Never in trouble.
Why ain't
I'm
it?
nervous about seeing him in Carmel because I'm not sure whether or not she's actually
Never
okay with
in
me
the
being
trouble.
friends with him
Why
or not.
is Papa Troy never in the trouble? As you see, I'm feeding this all shrimp. Now you need to drink your drink. Now sip on your drink. Now drink all of it. Right, we did that. Alright, so let's make, what should we make? Corn off the cob? Let's make corn off the cob.
Oh, fuck. He's gotta go poop.
Just
Mom,
corn on the cob.
the bathroom's nasty, buddy. He's gotta go do that. You gotta go pee? He's gotta pee. Tyson, don't hold it if you gotta go. Where's my phone? Give me your phone. Are you gonna go in there? The bathroom's nasty, buddy. We're waiting for someone to come fix it.
Let's just make the fruit cut. Alright, so that's all we have for this video. The phone's about to die. So have good luck. Let me feed this guy first. And I'll end the video. Right now. Wait. Right now.